Mercedes-Benz X-Class pickup goes camping. It sure seems like Europe gets a lot of cool camping vehicles. Last year we saw VW show off the ultimate evolution of Caravan, and this year, Mercedes is getting in on the camping game with a pair of X-Class pickup truck concepts, done up for the Caravan, Motor, Touristik, CMT, show in Stuttgart. One has a fairly conventional camper setup, while the other has a stylish cooking setup that would be a perfect complement to camping intents. The first concept with the full camper comes from a company called Touristik. It's a fairly standard truck bed-mounted drop-in camper box. It features seating for up to 3 people, a small kitchen with 3-burner gas stove, sleeping accommodations, and even bathroom equipment. The bathroom consists of a hideaway sink and toilet and a space for showering. The other concept has less capability, but a much more stylish execution. It comes from VanEssa Mobilcamping, and it features a 551-pound slide-out kitchen system. It has a cooler, sink and storage for all variety of cookware. It fits completely within a truck bed and slides out past the tailgate for use. It also fits below the classy teak wood bed cover. Fortunately, the kitchen unit doesn't take up the entire bed, either, so there's still space for various camping items. As cool as these concepts are, don't expect them to come to America anytime soon, since Mercedes-Benz has no plans to bring the X-Class pickup to America. But we can still admire them from afar.